Construction schedules are more compressed than ever, so you need products that provide faster, more cost-effective installations. Introducing TEC Level Set 500 HF. This new high-flow self-leveling underlayment delivers a smoother surface and faster installations to meet today's increasing job site demands. Contractors who have used Level Set 500 HF say it mixes better than both traditional and their current brand of high-flow SLUs. From the first pour, you see the extremely fast flow and the immediate coverage, even before manipulating it.
So there's a big difference between high-flow and traditional products. High-flow products flow more like water. They flow faster. They get the job done faster. Traditional products flow more like syrup. They're slower and they take longer to install.
But not all high-flow self-levelers are the same. Here you can see the difference in the surface of Level Set 500 HF compared to other high-flow SLUs. It yields a smoother surface that is ready for flooring installation with no sanding or skim coating.
The biggest property that I look for with self-levelers is the healing properties when you pour one pour up against another. With the Level Set 500 HF that we've been using, the heal time is second to none. It looks like I sat there with a hose and just poured it out there when it was multiple bucket drops. The time savings translates into real dollars to us, which when we're selling a project means I'm making more money if I'm saving more time on it. That's what we're in business for. But likewise, the quality of what we're giving our clients is still second to none. I'd rather pay more for good quality. But with this product, I get both. A win-win situation.
Well, there are many benefits to TEC Level Set 500 HF to the installer. It provides the smoothest surface in the industry, and this has been documented. It also provides up to 20% coverage improvement in the adhesive. It also provides more than 60% labor cost savings, and it has the fastest flow and the fastest installation time in the industry.
When you switch to Level Set 500 HF, you get a high-flow, super smooth, seamless healing technology that can reduce labor costs by up to 66%. TEC Level Set 500 HF, the super smooth SLU.